Hello to all traders. Now I will show you how a neural network can earn a good amount of money from just $1. By the way, you can get 3 trial signals from the bot for free at the link in the description, after which you can buy the full version at a 90% discount. The number of people who will get a discount is limited. After purchase, bot gives unlimited signals. And now let's start working. Lower is the robot's first recommendation today. Time frame 1 minute. Currency pair, Euro and US dollar. I have specially increased the speed of price movement for the convenience of viewing and saving your time. I will announce the results. By working this structure systematically and regularly, you can definitely make millions. The robot knows everything about trading, everything that its developers have studied for 9 years. And all this experience is given to you for a symbolic fee. So, the deal is coming to an end. The signal was accurate. 81 cents was deposited into the account. Now I will invest the entire deposit amount every time to quickly increase profits. New investment $1.81. The signal is higher. Attention! You can win a great prize of $1,000 by following a few steps. Watch this video from beginning to end, subscribe to this YouTube channel, give a like to this video and write 1 comment on trading topics. Only 1 post per person will be accepted. I choose 1 winner each week using a randomizer. Our team publishes the results of the contest on our Telegram channel. Subscribe to it at the link in the description. And the second trade right now is closing in the plus side. $1.47. My new investment is $3.28. Getting a quick forecast. Higher. And now I will tell you about Martingale and Anti-Martingale. Money management strategies. The Martingale system is one of the oldest betting strategies and has been adapted to trading financial instruments. The premise of the Martingale system is straightforward. After a loss, you double your bet, and you keep doing this until you win, at which point you return to your original bet size. The idea is that the first win would recover all previous losses plus win a profit equal to the original stake. So, the deal closes in the plus side. $2.66 profit. My new market entry amount is $5.94. The robot's prediction is lower. Volatility is now reduced. The news background is inactive. When applied to options, a trader using the Martingale strategy would invest a certain amount, for example, $50, on a currency pair. If the trade closes out of the money, a loss, the trader would then double their investment on the next trade to $100. This doubling would continue until a winning trade is achieved. The trade completes and we see a local low. That's great. The bears have taken the initiative and we are making money. Profit $4.81. New investment $10.75. In order for the bot to generate a signal, you need to press the keys in its menu corresponding to the set parameters. So, the signal is lower. Traders may hit a losing streak that exceeds their capital. Many options platforms have upper limits on trade sizes, which could be reached during a string of losses. Emotional strain can lead to poor decision-making as the stakes rise. Despite its initial appeal to ensure a recovery from losses, the Martingale system requires an infinite bankroll and no trade size restrictions to be foolproof, neither of which is realistic in options trading. Always stay cool. So, and our trade is coming to an end minus $8.71 profit. The new market entry amount is $19.46. 2 clicks and the signal is in front of us. Lower, the Anti-Martingale system, on the other hand, does the opposite. Instead of increasing your stake after a loss, you increase it after a win and reduce it after a loss. This approach aligns with the principle of capitalizing on your strengths and minimizing your weaknesses. For options trading, an anti-Martingale strategy might start with a set investment amount, say $50. If the trade is successful, the next trade would double the investment to $100. If this trade wins again, the subsequent investment might be $200, and so on, capitalizing on the winning streak. However, if a trade loses, the trader returns to the initial investment level. So, after another successful trade, I continue to invest more and more money. $35.22. Higher signal. It's inherently risk-averse, as it reduces trade size after a loss, minimizing potential further losses. It allows for capital accumulation during winning streaks, potentially increasing profitability. It encourages discipline, as traders must stick to the system and not let emotions dictate their trade sizes. The main risk of the anti-martingale system is that it assumes winning streaks will continue, which isn't guaranteed. If a trader keeps doubling their investment and then hits a loss, they will have lost their initial stake and all accumulated profits from that streak. Meanwhile, the deal closed with a profit. I will conduct a new operation with a new market entry amount $63.75. The signal is for lower. Both the martingale and anti-martingale systems have their places in a trader's toolkit but must be used with caution. These strategies require strict discipline, a clear understanding of the market, and sound risk management practices. Options traders should always be aware of their platform's trade size limits, their own capital limitations, and the psychological pressures that come with using these strategies. Ultimately, there is no surefire way to profit in trading, and no system can eliminate the risks involved. The key is to find a money management strategy that matches your trading style, risk tolerance, and financial goals, and to apply it consistently and judiciously. So, after another successful trade, a new signal from FixProfit, on lower. Also in the message with the signal, additional information about volatility and news background is indicated. Now both of these parameters are reduced. I can definitely triple your deposit on the first day. The investment you make with a 90% discount in the FixProfit tool will pay for itself in the first hours of operation. I remind you that the link to get 3 free signals is in the description below this video. Having tested the neural network for free, you will be able to buy it at a 90% discount. In the meantime, the deal is closing beautifully. The new investment is $208.86. From just $1, this amount of money was made. But we are still working on it. New signal from artificial intelligence, lower. Volatility and news background is still down. By the way, after buying the bot, you will get to the exclusive VIP chat, where our team analyzes the market with the analysis of situations. There we also publish signals. And now on the screen you can see reviews of people who started to earn with the help of FixProfit and continue to do so. In the meantime, another deal is finalized with the result we want. $169.18 is a profit. Now I will enter the market at $378.04. 3 seconds and the signal is in front of you. Higher. Volatility is up at the moment. The news has started to influence the price movement. This is a fundamental factor that can affect trades at any time. By the way, friends, with FixProfit you can trade even on weekends and holidays, even in the late hours of the day when the stock exchanges are asleep. All this thanks to the function of over-the-counter trading. Its presence is a huge advantage of the robot. You just need to send it the command /OTC and a list of 27 currency pairs for over-the-counter trading will appear in front of you. And here is another profitable deal completed, $306.21. Now it's time for the final trade. Investment $684.25. Lightning fast scanning of the currency pairs market. The signal is lower. Friends, subscribe to our YouTube channel and give us a like if you liked this video. You can also click on the bell to not miss new interesting episodes and get notifications about them. I want to remind you once again that you can use the link in the description to use 3 free signals from FixProfit. After that you can buy it with a very favorable discount. The offer is limited. Here comes the lateral movement in front of us. The deal closes calmly and in the right form for us. The forecast turned out to be accurate. From just $1 today we were able to earn a serious amount, $1,238.49. Trade together with FixProfit. See you soon.